Hello friends, welcome to the Rewa's Gallery. Constitution Day is celebrated every year on 26 November to mark the beginning of constitutional, scientific, self-governing and modern India. Constitution of India, of the people, for the people and by the people. The Constitution of India is the supreme law in India. The Indian Constitution, the longest of any sovereign nation in the world, provides a comprehensive framework to guide and govern the country, keeping in view its social, cultural and religious diversity. Indian Constitution declares India to be a sovereign, secular, socialist and democratic republic and assures its citizens equality, liberty and justice. Indian Constitution was prepared in 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. On 26 November 1949, the Constitution was formally adopted by the Constituent Assembly and was made the center of law in 26 January 1950. Thus, 26 November is celebrated in commemoration of the people like Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, first Law Minister of India, who gave independent India a proper constitution. Constitution Day is also called the National Law Day and Samvidhan Diwas in Hindi. National Constitution Day celebration was started by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2015. Constitution Day not only expresses the importance of the Constitution but also revive the feeling of unity, integrity and brotherhood among Indians. Reading the preamble, essay writing competition, speech and debate, etc. are organized by school, college and government institutions to celebrate this historic day. Constitution of India is one of the most frequently amended constitution in the world so that it does not hamper the growth and development of the nation and her people. The success of our Indian Constitution for a country as diverse and complex as India continues to intrigue, impress and inspire experts around the world. Jai Hind!